In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Apple ID. By the end, you'll have a confirmed email address on your account, which helps with sign-ins, security alerts, and password recovery. You'll just need your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and access to the email inbox you want to verify. Start by opening Settings on your device. On a Mac, this is called System Settings, but it's the same idea. This is where you manage your Apple ID details and security options, so it's the best place to handle verification. At the top of the settings screen, tap your name. This takes you to your Apple ID overview and shows the email address currently associated with your account. If you use multiple Apple devices, this view keeps everything consistent across them. Next, go to Sign In and Security. This section controls how you log in and how Apple reaches you. It's important to keep this information up to date so you don't run into issues when resetting a password or confirming a purchase. Now choose Add Email or Phone Number, then select Add Existing Email. We're focusing on adding an email address here. Enter the email you want to verify. Make sure it's an inbox you can open right away because Apple will send a verification code to that address. Avoid using a work or school address if you might lose access later. Open your email app or sign into that inbox in a browser and look for the message from Apple. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. Keep the message open so you can quickly copy or note the code. For security, don't share this code with anyone. Return to settings and enter the verification code exactly as shown. Codes are time sensitive, so entering it promptly helps avoid errors. If it fails, you can request a new code and try again. If you'd like to change your primary Apple ID email, you can do that now as an optional step. Tap a different email and toggle primary email. Keep in mind your primary email becomes the main address Apple uses for receipts, notifications, and account recovery. Changing it may require you to re-authenticate on some devices or apps. Once verified, you'll see the email listed and active on your Apple ID. That's it. Your Apple ID email is now confirmed and ready to use for sign-ins, security alerts, and recovery options. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.